Good morning, student. Today we are going to understand the concept of place value and the face value. We have understood the concept of the place value and face value, but we are going to understand it related to it four-digit number, right? So let us start with it. So face value is what? The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, right? So I gave you an example. Do you remember what example I gave you to remember what is a face value? Right. I gave you example of a mirror. Whenever you see your face in the mirror, what you see? You see your own face. The same way the number also has a face value. Whenever a face value of a number has been asked, you have to write the exact number of it. The face value will be the digit itself, right? But in case of the place value, it is different. But we will understand what is the face value first. We will solve the example of the face value, right? Now, the first example is 9009, right? Which digit has been circled? 9 has been circled. Now 9 is at which place? It is at 1000 place. But we know that they are asking you the face value. So what will be the face value of this 9? The digit itself. We are not going to write 9000 over here. We are going to write the digit itself. Right? वही digit हम लिखने वाले हैं face value पूछी तो. ठीक है? So you are going to write the digit itself, 9. The second example, 6528. So 5 is been circled, right? So the face value of the 5 will be the digit itself, that is 5 only. The third example is 7058. So 8 is been circled, right? So the face value of the 8 will be 8, the digit itself. This is nothing but the face value. Now, what about the place value? Place value is the value according to the place of a digit in a number. What it means? If a number is given to you, at what place the digits are present, whether it is present at 1000 place, whether it is present at 100 place, whether the digit is present at tens place, whether the digit is present at ones place. Accordingly the place value will be determined, right? So the place value, if a number 7865, it is a 4-digit number. 7 is at 1000 place, right? 8 is at 100 place, 6 is at tens place, 5 is at ones place. So the place value of a 7 will be 7000. The place value of 8 will be 800. The place value of 6 will be 6 tens. The place value of 5 will be 5 ones. Getting it? Same way for the next example, 5350. You know that 5 is at which place? 5 is at 1000 place. 3 is at 100 place. 5 is at tens place. 0 is at ones place. So the place value of 5 will be 5000. The place value of 3 will be 3 hundreds. The place value of 5 will be 5 tens. The place value of 0 will be 0 ones. Getting it? Now we will solve the example of related to the place value. So write place value of the circle digit. The number is 9854. As you can see that 9 has been circled over here. In red color it has been circled. They are asking you the place value of this digit, that is 9. So the place value of the 9 will be what? 9 is at which place? It is at 1000 place. So you are going to write 9000, or you can write in numerical form in this way, that is 9000, right? Same way, the second example, 2795, 7 has been circled, right? So the place value of the 7 will be 700. right? 7 is at 100 place, so you are going to write 700s or in numerical form 700. Getting it? Now, if they are asking you write the place value of the given number in this way, so 1 is at ones place, so you are going to write 1 once, right? 6 is at tens place, so you are going to write 6 tens or 60. Getting it? 8 is at 100 place, so you are going to write 800. 7 is at 1000 place, so you are going to write 7000s, right? If they are asking you circle the number in which the place value of 4 is 40. First of all, if they give you any number, you have to identify that what is the place value of 4 and it should be 40. So what you have to do, you have to check in the given number where is 4. First of all, you have to locate it, right? In this number 1432, 4 is at 100 place. In this number 4138, 4 is at 1000 place. In this number 1342, 4 is at tens place. In this number 5674, 4 is at ones place, right? So first of all, you have to identify it. So we have 400, 4000, 4 tens, 4 ones, but they are asking you have to circle the place value of should be 40, that is 4 tens. So where it is? It is in this number, that is 4 tens, that is 40. That is 40, right? So you have to circle that number. First of all, you have to read the question carefully and then you have to identify it, right? So you have to circle that number, particular number. So I hope that you have understood the place value and face value of a 4-digit number. The exercise 1.3 is based on this place value and face value. In the next video, we will solve the exercise part, that is 1.3 of your test book, in the test book, right?